Bharatanatyam is a beautiful and soulful dance form. It uses graceful expressions and movements to tell ancient stories and connect us to deep emotion. It is a true visual player.
We, Shravya, Mehta, Anvesha and Pavitra warmly invite you to our Bharatanatyam performance.
This event is held on December 19th at Kalagrama. Our deep love for this dance form invites you. We are thrilled to share it with you guys.
More than just an audience, we cherish your presence as family. Please come and share this moment with us.
Tajam taka diku kada 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 dum sa ni da da ba ba